guys, welcome back to Pray Shop Cruise. My name is Iteri. I am unboxing the Smoke and Mirrors 12 Days of Beauty Five Below Beauty Advent Calendar. So I decided to put on my pretty sparkly fashion rings since we're talking about beauty today. I love fashion. What do you call it? What do you call it, y'all? Fashion rings. The faux? What's the name for it? Costume jewelry. I love costume jewelry. So I'm gonna try to start wearing it more often in my videos. I have so much jewelry and so many nails and things, but sometimes when I want to do videos real quick, I just don't do the razzle dazzle. But today we razzle dazzle because we have 12 days of beauty. This advent calendar, I'm calling it an advent calendar, no, it is an advent calendar. I'm saying the right word. 12-piece beauty advent calendar was only $7. Now, if you missed out on the Sephora advent calendar like I did, your heart was probably broken. Or maybe not, because that calendar was like hundreds of dollars. But I did not know that the Sephora beauty advent calendar even existed. I learned about it last year and it had already been sold out. It was hundreds of dollars. If you search on YouTube, Sephora beauty advent calendar, you'll see plenty of people unboxing it. It was well worth its weight in gold. I'm going to try to be on the lookout for that calendar this year and see if I can catch it before it gets sold out. It is expensive, but it was so worth it when I saw it unboxed. So if you missed out on that, your dreams don't have to die. My mom's always teaching me, life is what you make it and how you see it. And I listen to her, but it's hard sometimes. But we can have a beauty advent calendar for like a quarter of the price or an eighth of the price. This is it, guys. This is our second chance. So this calendar tells you exactly what's in it. And there's not much in it, but it's only $7. So it's just enough to make you feel real special. It's less than $10 at Five Below. There's a lip liner, a clear mascara, an eyeliner, false lashes, faux freckle stickers, flower lip balm, a beauty sponge, eyeshadow, lip gloss, a makeup puff, eyelash glue, sharpener, faux freckle stickers. I said that. Okay. And there was 12 days. And look how pretty it is. So there were a bunch of these when I purchased it. I feel like this would be a great... Is there tape on this? I feel like this would be a great Valentine's Day gift. So let me figure out how to open this with these nails and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So I was opening it and I was like, that's not how an advent calendar works. So I think you're supposed to cut these on the front of the box and this was supposed to stay closed, which is fine. I'm most likely not going to keep this box. It is pretty easy to rip, but I'm going to cut open each of the squares. This is day 6. I'm not really going to go in order because I'm going to have to get in here. I understand what they were going for, but I'm not sure how easy it's going to be to get into this stuff. So this was day 6, okay? This is Smoke and Mirrors Flower Play Lip Balm, and this was stuck down, which makes sense because you can imagine people, trying to cut it open and pull it out in a store. But anywho, this is really pretty. Look at this. It's a lip balm. It's a flower lip balm. Looks like it's not really coming up, but that's okay. It's a nice little Vaseline gloss. I really like this. I love how small it is. I'll be trying that out on my lips later. Smoke and Mirrors Flower Lip Balm. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Impressed with that. And then I suspect you could keep going like this, right? Looks like we have the faux freckles you could put on your face, across your nose, across the bridge of your nose. I'll probably use this in crafting. Peel it off and use it in crafting. That's cute. 4 is real small. Looks like it's a eyelash sharpener, eyebrow pencil sharpener, eyeliner sharpener. Lord have mercy. Y'all know what it is. It's a sharpener. You can use it for an eyeliner sharpener. Bear with me, y'all. This the way I'm opening this is throwing me off. Let's go 10. Look at that. There's the eyeliner pencil. So people at Sephora is like, a dupe wear, baby. Shaking their head. No, this is actually really cute for $7, y'all. I'm very happy with how this stuff looks. It's just trying to pop it out. Okay. This is lip liner. Lip liner. Very pretty, though. I mean, look at how pretty everything is. Excuse the rustling of the packaging. If you don't like that, this probably isn't the channel for you. I actually like the sound of packaging. All packaging, really. I don't mind it. So that's not going anywhere. If you don't like it, please just exit left. Smoke and Mirrors Glossy Lip Gloss. Okay. I like how that kind of fades. That seems nice. Y'all, $7, just go get the calendar. Go get this calendar and use it as a Valentine's Day gift for yourself. Like, are you kidding me? It's $7. I done ripped this apart. I'm trying not to expose everything. Then we got, what was this? Day 11 or 12, y'all. I won't even look in. It's okay. Clear mascara. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's go. What is this? Day 2. This should have been day 2. I'm trying to open it how you would open a regular advent calendar where you pop out everything. You don't look at everything at once. But as you can see, the struggle is real. It's $7, y'all. Leave me alone. Okay. Eyeliner. Here's the eyeliner. Very cute. Very cute. Okay, let's try to stay in formation. Let's get in formation. Oh, here's the ball. Here's the puff. Love this. You can use these in crafting too. I know this is a beauty calendar, but for all my IteariTV folks, you can use this as a puff, what am I trying to say? To pat things, to blend. Follow me over on IteariTV for more crafty things. I'll be putting that channel in the description. Okay. Sometimes I link my channels in my videos. I've been doing that a lot lately. If you click the subscribe button and you're not subscribed to one, you'll be able to subscribe to both when I link the channels in that way. But if you don't know how to do that, just look in the description and I should have the links and all my contact information if you wanted to mail me Happy Mail or anything of that nature. Look at this cute little puff. Now this is cute. $7. Just go get it. Why wouldn't you want this for $7? All this stuff can fit in a small purse too. Because, you know, when I go out, if I'm traveling, if I'm running around doing a lot of shopping, as I tend to do, and I'm store hopping, I don't like big purses. All this stuff is perfect for a small purse. Smoke and Mirrors eyelash glue. Okay. That was no, this was day 2, so this must have been 7. Okay. Day 3. Like I said, I didn't go in order. Here are the lashes. Holiday lash, a little bit too long for me. I got box scrapings everywhere, y'all. I've been tearing up this box. And then we have 11. Or was this 12? This might have been 12. Or one of these were 12. I don't remember. Go back to the beginning of the video and see which one was 12. I didn't open them in order. You don't have to do anything in order. You don't have to do nothing you don't want to do when you buy something. You do whatever you want to do with it. Be free. This is nice. Whole eyeshadow palette. This alone is $7 in some places or more. This is really pretty. Look at these colors. Ooh, come through, smoke and mirrors. Does anyone use this brand? Let me know if this brand is any good. Maybe this brand sucks, but I would know. So that's the broken down box. I'm gonna throw all this away. Let me lay everything out so we can see what we got. So was all of this worth $7? Yes, this was totally worth $7, y'all. Lip liner, eyeliner, sharpener, lashes, a puff. I mean, the mini eyeshadow kit is enough for $7. I'm gonna probably take this on my next beach trip in my travel bag. Lash glue. This alone too is the lip balm is worth its weight in gold. How pretty that is. And then a lip gloss. Yeah, go get this. Five Below. Get it for yourself for Valentine's Day. Even if you have a Valentine, get it for yourself anyway. It's only $7. What will it hurt? If you made it to the end of the comment, go ahead and put some lipstick icons in the comments. I always appreciate you guys. Come back for more unboxings and fun shopping finds. I'll see you real soon. Bye.